now for the whole period of time that I trade this. And you can see the go long strategy in US 30 made a profit of almost 5,000 euro. The go long strategy in US tech made a profit of 14,400 euro. The go long strategy in DE40 generated a profit of 12,000 euros. So huge success with the go long strategy. So let's have a look at the turnaround Tuesday strategy. Definitely also a strategy that benefits from positive market movements, and it generated a profit of 870 in US 30, generated a profit of 2,500 in US tech, and in DE40 with the turnaround Tuesday strategy we generated 2,400 euro of live trading profits. Let's now go to the last strategy, range breakout expert advisor, and this is one of my most active strategies, and it's really interesting to see the development. And here we can see, even though last month was slightly positive, there's still a loss of 800 euro in US 30 with this strategy. I also traded in D40, and here it is minus 50. It's more or less break even, but of course the last month was just not good. Then we do trade this in USD Japanese yen, and here we can see something really interesting. Now the overall profit is really good with 4,300, and it's mainly generated in the last 2 or 3 months. And this is also when I started to use slightly different settings for this strategy. Then I do use the range breakout EA in US dollar. Also quite a success story so far, 2,000 euro of live trading profits. Then GBP/US dollar, as I said, this is like the worst performing chart so far in the account. It is the only chart that is net. No, it's not the only chart that is net negative. I think US 30 and DE40 are now also negative with the range breakout EA. But yeah, it's still the worst performing chart, and it generated a loss overall of 3,600 in a little bit more than 1 year, which is not great. But I mean, sometimes if you have a portfolio of 12 different charts, you cannot expect that everyone or every chart will just generate profits. And then we have gold. As I said, last month was not good, but overall the performance is just insane. Like, there's over 17,000 euro of profit, so the 1k loss in the last month is easily compensated by the previous profits. And so far I think gold range breakout EA is still the most successful chart in this account.